How do I know what bid level makes sense for my PPC keywords? When we're talking about bids, really important, bids are something that you cannot really negotiate. You can reduce bids, but then by reducing bids, you're losing impressions, aka you're losing the traffic and eyeballs to your listings. So when it comes down to knowing what are the bid levels that would make sense for your PPC keywords, is each keyword itself, it's going to perform differently. Now, for a keyword that is converting at 10%, probably it would make sense for you to not invest a $5 bid or a $5 CPC on it if it's only 10% conversion. If that same keyword is bringing you sales, maybe the same amount, maybe more, but a 20% conversion, that is something that you might be willing to increase your bids even, because you want to make sure that you are always going to generate sales with that specific keyword. Bids are kind of tricky, and I understand where it's coming from, but it's harder to answer just because you're saying that what bid levels make sense. Honestly, the bid level that would make sense for your account, and here I'm talking about CPC, not necessarily bid, how much you're offering, but how much it costs you to get that click, is if you want to get eyeballs, you have to pay for it. So if you're going to decrease your bids and you're not going to get any eyeballs, and then you're not going to generate traffic towards your listing, probably that is when you should be stopping optimizing down the bids.